sort of synergy of going from live back to VOD, how are you guys using some of that live content maybe to drive people to different platforms? Or is that even part of your strategy? You know, finding the audience in these different places. They want to watch things differently, but you have all this great stuff from your Facebook Live. Can you actually reuse that across different platforms, and how?
Yeah, we actually are designing our content for that. So we have a Twitch show, and I'm consciously trying to think about how to segment it so it still feels organic, but can be cut down into a shorter type of VOD format for Facebook, because that's probably going to be the better way to consume it on Facebook. We're doing the same thing with Facebook. We're doing it live and then doing like a clean recorded program and then doing a cut down on that and re-uploading as a VOD, or we're taking it elsewhere and using it like on Twitch with a longer lead time, or going offline. So we try to go up in a block, 4-hour block or so. And there's some times where we have to change the set, and it's like a 30-minute downtime. Sometimes we do a behind-the-scenes camera. Other times we'll just throw in some of this other content that we've done. So we're constantly trying to think about and design our content so that it can be repurposed and reused over and over, trying to get the most out of it. Another thing that we think about is also how it's going to be packaged. So for our Facebook Lives, we saw a dramatic increase in engagement when we put a top title bar up. It doesn't look great, but like functionally in terms of someone swiping over a screen, no one will read the title of the post, but they'll see this graphic at the top of the video that says something that's usually like a really strong call to action. And we'll use that also. Packaging is really important, thinking about it from a platform standpoint.
I know for us, especially with Twitch, we pretty much, we have like a 3-minute kind of scissor reel that we immediately throw up after a live broadcast, because for those of you not familiar, Twitch will basically put up whatever you just aired, and it'll sit there and that'll be on your channel until you air something else. And you know, live is great. We definitely want people to watch live, but we also want to be able to go clean it up, and I'd rather people watch the clean version than sometimes, you know, if there are things we want to take out. You know, we've had a couple incidences of that where we wanted something completely out of the stream, so we cut it and then we just rebroadcasted it there after it was already posted. But, you know, and to your point, thinking about how you can use your content to tease people to go where you want them to go, whether it's your YouTube page, whether it's your Facebook Live page, like think about those 30-second, 1-minute chunks that you can send out as teasers, because those actually usually end up getting more views than the actual thing itself. But you know, if you brand it right, then they'll get to where you want them to go.